Good morning, ladies and gentlemen and fellow bikers. 4:26 in the morning. Again, summer is here to stay in Bangalore, like all over India probably by now. And yay! After a gap of 2 weeks, finally I'm going on a ride. Yeah, I had some issues that I couldn't go previously. So that's it. Slightly changed my angle today for the intro. So I hope you guys like it. Yeah, testing it out. So where am I going? I'm going to Kokrebellur. It's a bird sanctuary, some nearly 90 kilometers from my home towards Mysore. So like I have been saying, breakfast rides is what is the order of the day nowadays. Being summer, long rides are kind of out of question, or very selective long rides is what I will do. It's extremely warm and yeah, you are getting famished very, very soon. So that's what the case is. By the way, I am going with a group called IBC, or Indian Bikers Club. This is the second time I'm going with them. First time I had gone to Chinchi Falls with them, but this is the second time I'm going with them. It's not going to be a lot of crowd today. I am assuming something between 10 to 15, I hope. It's okay. Yeah, most of the other groups that are going out for rides nowadays are ones which are going off-roading. And yeah, you know I don't like off-roading. Neither am I geared for off-roading, or nor is my bike geared for serious hardcoring. Some amount of off-roading I can do, but not the serious variety. So yeah, so I have to fill petrol now as usual. So I'll catch you after some time. I have to meet the folks on Old Airport Road. On Mysore Road. So I'll catch you there in some time. Bye. Good morning, folks. Yeah, it's nearly 5:15 in the morning. And have you ever seen a calm, nice road toll booth? Look at this. Cool. Oh, trucks coming here to spoil my view. So this is it. So I'm actually right now alone at this toll plaza. I do see messages on WhatsApp.
Hosur Road पे जाना था हमको.
Huh?
Hosur Road पे.
Hosur Road. Okay. The truck guy basically was lost and going around in circles. He wants to go to Hosur Road. So I just directed him, yeah, continue on that road and you will reach the electronic steel toll gate. That's where you need to go. Good morning, folks. Hey guys, good morning.
Hey.
So finally we are assembling out here for the bike ride, and we'll be starting off in a few minutes. Woo. Okay, my microphone is disconnected as usual, so let's see. Good morning, folks. So here we go. We are starting off on our ride from the nice toll gate. Yeah, we'll be stopping for breakfast at Maddur and then proceeding to the bird sanctuary. It's already daylight, as you can see. The sun will be popping out in that direction. So cool. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so here we go. Since this is nice road, obviously we will be paying toll. Unlike the other toll booths, I mean, the bikers are aware of it, and we appreciate that fact that we don't need to pay tolls at the other highways, right? So we are 11 bikes today morning, starting off at 6:15. Woo. Good morning, folks. This is nice road, and we will be taking an exit towards Mysore Road. That's the plan. This road, how much ever times that you come here, it's always nice. You can see that it's right now getting into a dry weather mode. The greenery, yes, it is still there, but it's going down with every passing day, with the temperatures and all of that. But it's nice road. nice road.
You can never find somebody do it like me. Do it like me. You can never like me. Do it like me. But you'll never ever find somebody do it like me. Do it like me.
Okay, guys, so joining Mysore Road now. Good morning, folks. So we have now finally switched on to a village road. We have left the old Mysore Road, and it's going to take some time. 24 kilometers is what the map says. And by the way, I have switched to wired microphone right now. I am getting frustrated with the wireless DJI mic mini. I have no clue why it keeps getting disconnected. Wow, look at the countryside. Beautiful. Woo! The scenery is completely changed. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Wow. So the plan is to reach the village, explore that place, and then go for breakfast, right? Because otherwise the sun is going to be too harsh to do anything of that sort. Wow. Look at the landscape, man. Sudden change. I didn't have a clue of existence of this place. Oh, look at the lotus pond out there. I don't know if you can see that. A lot of lotuses there in the pond. Wow. Cool. The sun is slowly showing its true colors as we are progressing ahead. Oh. Wow. Crazy landscape, man. And it came up suddenly, right? I mean, we hardly rode couple of kilometers from the Mysore road, and that's it. Suddenly the landscape has changed, which is superb. Wow, look at the farmlands out here. Superb. Woo! Wow, this cornfield, I think, banana palm, looks really nice. Corn or maize, one of them. Cool. Woo. Nice setup out here with the lake. So we have basically stopped at the shore of a small lake, I should say, and it's surrounded by a lot of green fields out here, but the birds are not to be seen as yet out here. So let's see. Okay, so these are the bikes out here. Ooh. Yeah, dry run of the drone being carried out. Hey, good morning, guys.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, man.
Morning, man.
Makhi. Hey, man.
Hello.
ये मक्खी उड़ा रहा है. Hi, man. Good morning.
Good morning.
कहाँ गया?
मैं सामने से बाइक का ले लेता हूँ एक बार.
So I don't know where we are going to get to see the birds out here, but the setup is very nice, especially the fields out here. They look just beautiful. Oh man, isn't this a beautiful sight out here? Cool. Here comes the drone. Woo! हाँ करो भाई. Cool. Woohoo! Wow. Wow. Look at this magical place, guys. It's just beautiful and still fresh green, while the other places are beginning to show their colors of summer. This place still is quite green. It is- Wow. So this is some kind of an embankment. lot of water bodies here. Yeah, which I was not aware of, right? I mean, this location, Kokrebellur, that we are going to. The approach roads are very, very promising. Wow, look at the amount of plantations out here, guys. Beautiful, man. This is just superb. Woo-hoo! So, seems like these are the rescued birds out here. Okay, let's go. So these are the rescued birds out here, and these are the ones which I got to see for now.
आपको ना DSLR में अच्छे खासे फोटोज मिलेंगे
उधर है क्या?
हाँ, वो फिर टर्निंग में बहुत सारे पेड़ हैं, बहुत सारे बर्ड्स भी बैठे हैं उधर.
Okay.
हमें
But पेड़ में बैठे हैं.
हाँ, और अंदर एक गांव में एक्सप्लोर करने से वो पूरा जंगल जंगल.
So he was speaking to somebody, तो बोल रहा है वो बताएगा कहाँ है.
हाँ, अगर बताए तो चला चलते हैं.
So that's what. Let's go.
So
these are the, like I was saying, the rescued birds out here. Oh, there's a couple of them here too. Hello. Quite a big size, I should say. They are not small. Oh, nice. This guy is continuously cribbing. This guy is continuously cribbing. Probably he's very territorial. Chalo, let's go. So, good morning, guys. Again, we are slightly disappointed with the so-called bird sanctuary. What you just saw were the ones we could manage to see, and that too, these birds are in the cage because they are recovering from, I think, some illness or something of that sort. So they catch them and give them time to recover, and that's what they do. Okay, guys, so change of plans after the disappointment that we faced at the so-called bird sanctuary. We are now on our way to Madur Tiffin to have our breakfast. ऊपर भी है कुछ. Whoa. Look at these green pastures, man. Wow. And you have some walkway built up here. Cool. This setup reminds me of the farmlands that I had come across on my South India trip when I was going towards Rameswaram. The fields that were green. Wow. And I guess you have the highway right in front out here, the Bangalore-Mysore highway, the expressway. Whoa, nice. This is really beautiful. Right under the underbelly of the Bangalore expressway. Woo! Good afternoon, fellow bikers. 12:55. It's nearly 1, and I am returning back to Bangalore from a failed ride, in the sense the primary objective of visiting the bird sanctuary, or at least sighting the birds, was not achieved. Though the Wikipedia says that this is the season where you'll get to see those birds and all of it, well, there was zilch, nothing. Only few caged birds who are probably recovering from some injuries or whatever, which you have already seen. But otherwise, yeah, so it was just a ride which happened through the countryside. Having said that, the countryside was nice, right? The greenery and all of it was pretty nice. Enjoyed that part of it, and had a late breakfast with the team there, Indian Bikers Club. So that's what the club, the biking group was. So all in all, it was an okay visit or a ride. The ride was good, but yeah, like I said, we didn't get to see those birds. Yeah, it's pretty warm and extremely sunny, as you can see right now. So good. We're feeling quite happy that I'm returning back at 1 o'clock. Yeah, though it's warm. So cool. So I will catch you in my next vlog, whenever that happens. But like I said, summer, I'm finding it challenging to find groups or places to go to. It is so damn warm. The ride is not that enjoyable. So I really need to figure out how to keep myself engaged with you guys, right? That's a challenge. Okay, so see you in the next vlog, and please subscribe to Cruising with Lens, and like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah. So have a great day, keep riding, keep smiling, and have a great everyday. Bye, take care, best of luck.